Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today's video is another repair video, or we can say it's upgrade video. So in today's video, we are going to be upgrading the RAM on the first Intel MacBook Pro. So now, without further ado, let's get started into the video. So here's the MacBook. Of course, it's turned off. Just do remember to switch off all your electronics before doing any repair or any upgrade. So now let's turn this around. Ouch, oops. I just hit my MacBook towards the wall. So firstly, we got to remove the battery, and to do that we got to remove these two clips upwards. For me it's usually hard for me to do it, so I think I'm just going to do it with a spudger, but you guys can try it with your nails. I tried once with my nails, but my nails just chipped off. Push it upwards, so you guys can see here there's orange color showing up, so that means one of the clips is out. So now onto the other clip, push it upwards as usual, gray orange color, and the clip is out. So remove the battery, and there you go, the battery is out. We can just put it aside for now. So now we are focused onto the point where we're going to work. What we're going to do is just going to remove these 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. Yep, you don't have to open your MacBook or anything, just these 3 screws. Okay, one out, second one out, third one out. Now with these screws taken out, we can just lift this door up. This is just a metal piece covering the RAM. Should put that aside. Okay, so you guys can see here there's these 2 metal clips here. So here's where the main part comes. There are 2 metal brackets securing the RAM in place. So we're going to remove 2 of the RAMs out. For the first RAM to come out, there's this first metal clip. These 2 sides, first metal clip. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna just move that to one side, and the RAM sticks out. Just pull that out for now, and we're gonna put that aside. And now for the second RAM stick to come out, we got to do this. We got to open this latch. First we open this clip. You guys can see this clip. Second is this clip. So just gonna push that aside, and the RAM stick just came out. That's it. Easy. So just pull that out slowly, and there we go. 2 of our RAM sticks are now out. So now we're gonna put our new RAM stick inside. Here's where the mistake comes. So there was once I tried to upgrade the RAM. This was the second RAM stick, so I put that inside. So I actually put it the wrong way, not upside down, but I actually had put the first RAM stick on the second slot. So I put this RAM stick on the second slot, and apparently this MacBook didn't turn on at all. So just do remember to get the correct RAM stick before you upgrade. So just make sure you check that. So my MacBook just had the hard drive running, but the display didn't show up. So yeah, just do remember that. And now with that done, let's take this. And now all we're going to do is we're going to just slide it in as usual. Slide this inwards and just push it down. Just make sure it clicks into place. Let's take the second RAM stick and just put it in, and we're just gonna go push it in. Make sure not to snap the RAM sticks, and just push it back into place. We're done. So now put on the back plate. Just make sure it snaps into place, and now time to put back these screws. All these screws are of the same size, so you can just mix them up. It's not really an issue. Okay guys, so now we have closed the RAM slot. Now all you have to do is take the battery. So there's these 2 stoppers. Make sure the stoppers go in first. Slide it in place, make sure they're in place, and all you have to do is push the battery down. That's it. So as you guys can see, that's how you upgrade the RAM on your first Intel MacBook Pro. This is very easy to repair. For me, I'll give this a difficulty level of 4 out of 10 because of how you need to place the RAM in the correct way so that the MacBook turns on. If not, it doesn't turn on. That's the only bummer. Other than that, it's good to go. So when the MacBook was released, those were the times when Apple themselves were encouraging repairability. Actually included repair guides and repair manuals on how to upgrade your HDD or how to upgrade your RAM together with your MacBook. So I hope you guys like this type of repair content, or just how to upgrade your HDD, or just how to upgrade your RAM. This kind of simple upgrade and repair videos. I hope you guys like them, and I hope you guys are able to do it, and of course bring back your Mac to life, or just upgrade it to a faster machine. So if you guys like my content, or if my repair videos helped you guys, Do remember to leave a comment below that it helped you guys or anything else, or just your feedbacks or anything. Just simply leave that, and do remember to click the like button to this video, and do remember to subscribe for more videos. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.